All right, this is the third video in our series on the sounds of the consonants and practicing sentence stress, the final consonants. And these are called the fricatives and liquids, the flow sounds, the F, L, R, and S. Okay, these sounds can be stretched out. Okay, make sure you don't drop them. Okay, you must make the sound. So listen to me and repeat it after me. These are nonsense. Remember, these are nonsense sentences. They make no sense. Okay, so they're you can't try to. They don't seem logical. Are they? All they are is sentences that are created to help us to make the sounds, practice the sounds of the letters. Life is brief, but leaf is stiff. Life is brief, but leaf, Leaf, leaf is stiff. All of these have a final consonant. Say them again. Life is brief, but leaf is stiff. Okay, this is the F sound, brief. The teeth touch the lip momentarily. Brief, leaf, stiff, but is. Next, the tall wall is small. This is the L sound. Tall, ooh, ooh, ooh. The L, the tongue touches the roof of the mouth in the middle, not at the front, not at the back, in the middle of the roof, top of the mouth. The tall wall is small. All of them. Tall wall is small. Next, I feel well at the bell. I feel, L sound, eel. I feel well at the bell. Feel well bell at. Next, the car is far from the star. Okay, this is the American R sound. Car, far, star comes from down here. The British do not say it. British and Australia say sta, ka, fa. They do not make the R sound. American English makes the R sound. Comes from here. Car, far, star. From is not from. We do not roll. From, not from. From. Next, her hair is fair. Fair means not dark, not light, in the middle. Her hair is fair. Her hair is fair. Her hair is fair. Next, the bus is for us. The bus is for us. Bus is for us. Next and last, the glass is on the grass. The glass is on the grass. Glass is on grass. Listen to this many times. Practice again and again.